So in this problem, the distance from point 0, 0, 0 to x, y, z in the 3 space is 13, where x, y, and z are integers. So we want the lowest possible sum for x, y, or z. Now people often say, how are you supposed to know this without a calculator? Well, whoops. So normally you think of x squared plus y squared would equal z squared. That's kind of a variation on the Pythagorean theorem. But here, it's like this. And so we want this to equal 13 squared. And the key to this is 2 Pythagorean triples. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13. So 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. And then 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. So if I take this and put this in, that can be like that. But then I can take this right here and replace 5 squared and get 3 squared plus 4 squared. And then we've got plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. Now in this situation, these are points, which means that x, y, and z could all be negative. So that means it could actually be plus or minus 3, 4, and 12. So we want the lowest possible sum. So that's negative 3, negative 4, negative 12. And so when we add these together, this is where we get negative 19.